Every Bitcoin begins with raw energy drawn from the earth. Electricity travels miles before it ever reaches a machine.
Voltage is shaped and controlled for a single purpose.
This is where energy becomes computation.
Access is controlled. Conditions are precise.
Every watt is measured. Nothing is wasted. Heat is the first enemy of computation.
Human eyes still guard automated systems.
Computation begins the moment power flows.
Electricity turns into data at the speed of light.
Every calculation must find its way to the world.
Connectivity is as critical as computation.
Trillions of guesses race across the network. Each message joins a global conversation.
Mining is competition on a planetary scale.
Each block carries unfinished business.
Instructions return to the machines. The race restarts every few minutes.
Now the search for a valid block truly begins.
All computation releases heat. Thermal control keeps machines alive.
Every calculation inches closer to success.
Millions fail. One will win. The machines push forward without pause. Redundancy protects constant operation.
Physical security guards digital assets.
This is the nerve center.
Every second is measured.
Operations never sleep.
Thousands of processors work as one mind.
Each chip performs billions of guesses per second. Even perfection requires vigilance.
Computation is chaos refined into order.
Every guess brings us closer to discovery. Air becomes as vital as code. Raw energy converts into digital effort.
Billions fail, so one may succeed.
At last, the network accepts the proof.
A new block joins the chain. Energy becomes trust. Transactions are sealed into history.
New Bitcoin is born here.
Consensus spreads in seconds.
Others confirm the work. The ledger grows forever. Rewards are distributed by contribution.
Human oversight completes the cycle.
The race immediately restarts.
There is no finish line. Now automation takes full control.
Machines now regulate themselves.
Air is guided like a fluid.
Separation improves efficiency.
Problems are caught instantly. Precision replaces guesswork.
Computation never stops.
Every watt is refined.
Even heat is reused. Optimization creates consistency.
Now the results are verified. Trust is built through verification.
Every rule is rechecked. Agreement creates permanence.
The system self-balances.
Issuance follows mathematics.
Integrity is constantly monitored.
History is preserved.
Transparency supports scale.
Transparency supports scale.
Verification is complete. The physical backbone of digital production is stored with care.
Every component remains accountable.
Protection ensures continuity. Logistics keep operations moving. The facility connects to the outside world.
Finished systems are dispatched.
And this is how modern factories produce Bitcoin from start to finish.
The cycle continues beyond these walls.
Energy, computation, and precision, working as one.
Subscribe our channel Never Seen Factory for more real factory breakdowns.